Okay, so are you struggling to make sales on your books and you feel there's a need to promote your books, but you don't actually have that money to promote your books, or you don't have that budget? Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy how you can actually promote your books for free and make massive sales. So actually stay tuned and watch the video till the very end. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your books for free without investing a dime. So for more updates like this, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, so when actually we upload a video you would be notified. So now the first thing we are going to be doing here on how to actually promote your books for free is to actually go over to our browser, and the first thing we want to do is actually for you to have a Facebook account, and that is what you need to have. Now the first thing we want to do now is actually to find this particular group. Now we are to find a group whereby this particular group is just about books. Now most people actually have not seen this particular thing for themselves, and this is what most people use to promote their books. Now if you can actually check this part where this arrow is, you can actually see book club, secondary hand books, and books my show, and loved books sell and buy, books promotion in USA, and where books first edition. So I want to click on one so you see for yourself. So now in this group, now if you check here, you can actually see available on Amazon. Now okay, so if you check here in this group where it shows available on Amazon, you'll see that this book group is mainly for book promotion in US. Now what you normally do is that, now if you have this particular book you want to actually promote, now you can see that there's so many books that they are being promoted in this particular group. Now okay, so now in this group you can actually see that there's this particular book named Sandra which is being promoted here. So this is a part where place you can actually promote your book. Now if you check this book here, which is Perry Cordere, that is the staff of Connors, which is Amazon, you can see amazon.ca. so what people normally do is that you come over to your platform whereby you have the book to your, that is your live book, then you come here, then this arrow here, you click on it, then copy in the link. So after copying in the link, what you need to do is to copy in the description. Now when you're copying in the description, you copy the name of the book, which is the title of the book. Now after copying the title of the book, you have to copy about us, like about the book. So you are just to find the details of the book, that is about the book. So copying the about the book. So now this is how we are going to do it. So after joining in the group, you want to copy in the description of the book. That is not, now the description of the book should not have this where the call to action. Now what I mean by call to action is that, like telling the person to buy the book, whereby you tell the person buy the book, that is call to action. Now it shouldn't have that call to action. Now you are actually going to advertise your book. So what you want to do is to copy in the description where it shows the name and what is in the book. Now most of the times if you want to do it, you actually want to have this type of thing whereby you say there is a bonus in your book. This is actually to actually make this buyer eager to see that bonus and he will want to buy that book. So you should have just something like there's a bonus in my book. Now if you check here, so I'll just have to go here, then click on write something. So if I click on write something, that will show create a post. Now I want to actually copy the post I have made, then come back here and copy in the link. So when I'm done copying in the link, I want to go back, then paste the link over here. Then when I come down, I'll come down, then because I want to actually come down. Okay, Mediterranean region, I actually to come down. Okay, so let me delete this, Control Z. I want to delete this because this is not actually important. I feel it's okay here. So if you want to maintain or restore your health and beauty but have no idea where to start this book is for you. Okay, so now you actually want to write in book, then come over here, then drop in the link. Control Z, let me copy in the link. Okay, so link copied. So you want to actually put this link here. So now if you see it here, you can actually see the best-selling modern classic, the ultimate Mediterranean cookbook, and then guide to life-changing Mediterranean diet. That is more than 100,000 copies sold. Are you prepared to dive into? Then you can actually see this. Then if you continue to read it, you'll see inside the bonus inside, you can actually see 1,000 plus explanation video recipes. Now most times if you actually put this bonus, most people actually want to see in order to get that bonus, is like is what makes your book stand out among those books out there. So most times people can actually post what you are selling, or let me say it has the same niche of what you want to post, and it actually makes your own stand out there, which makes it because of that bonus. For example, you come into a store or a phone store and you see a phone you want to buy, and these two phones actually have the same functioning, and you see that there's a one that they are going to give you a gift for, or maybe they want to actually give you this maybe 5,000 airtime, you'll prefer to go for that one because of that particular gift. So after you're done that, you just want to click on post. When you click on post, it would now post and it will now be available on these Facebook's groups that are for book promotion. So you would just have to wait, and in few time you'll see that your book has been posted. Now if you come here, you can actually see that my books have been posted. Then you come here, then you click, you'll see that your book have been posted. Now you can actually see I have been actually posted, so you can see the link is here. So this is what you want to actually still do. Go over to some platforms. So this is how you normally do it. You just want to go over to some platforms and you see that it's being posted. Just go over checking groups. So most times you can join some groups, and you just want to find some groups, some books groups. So you can actually come over to another platform whereby you see another book platform for promoting book, and you want to come and click post your link. So this is how you keep on doing it until you find what you want. So just keep on doing it and you start making massive sales. So this is what most formula people use to promote their books. So if you check most groups here, you can see that there are so many platforms you can use to promote your groups. So that's what you normally do. And one thing you should note is that now if you can actually promote your books in so many platforms, so what you normally do is that your book should have this type of content, like this video whereby it's actually talking about the book. Maybe most times this content of your book should have this let me say explanation video, or you should have this motivation or something that inspires people to actually read your book. You should have this inspiration. So most times when people see this motivation or this inspiration about your book, or let me just say stories that about the book, or something like the stories you pass through or whatever you pass through when you're writing the book, this kind of content should be there. So it actually makes people to want to buy that book, and it actually interests them to buy that book. So that's how you actually promote your books. You just have to come over here, search for books and promotion, then you can actually see book promotion, book my shop, and so many groups. So most groups, they actually don't allow you to post just like that. You would have to actually wait until the admin of the group approve your that is your post. So you can see I'm actually going to post this, and that is a book promotion, and this book promotion has up to 10,000 members. And if you see here, it has up to 10,000 members here, and that means almost up to 10,000 people are going to see your book. You can actually see this person actually posted the book. That is be part of the world. So most people are actually promoting their book, and this is how most people get massive sales. So you can see most people are promoting their book. You can actually see Blackfish White Pointer is actually coming from Amazon. So you can see so many books are being promoted in such groups, and this is how most people actually get sales on their books without spending a time. So for more updates on this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so when I actually upload a new video you would be notified. Goodbye.